Here we are, back at Sam Simeon Park for the third fall in a row. Not the same spot. My spot last year was there and the year before, but oh well. Can't have everything. Cool. Back again for the third time. One Coast Guard cutter towing in another. Must have had some problems out there. One cutter towing another. Must have had some engine issues. The open ocean. Looks pretty mellow today. I might just go out. I'm just kind of issued about getting back in, but oh well. I got all day. It's up to Shima too. If she says no, then I won't. I'm kind of thinking I want to do it. We'll see. We'll go to that green buoy and then we'll decide. Open ocean. Now we got swells here. Well, I'm still within the jetty, but I'm chicken shit. I'm not ready yet. No way. This is far enough. I got 4-foot swells under me. Occasionally. See if we can catch you one here. This is fun. This is a blast. I don't think it's going to be the same out there, and I'm kind of nervous. I still have a lot to learn. There's a nice big 3-footer underneath me. Then here comes another one. Here we go. Ain't nothing out that way. I'm at the mouth of Morro Bay. There ain't nothing out there but open Pacific. Moving into the far reaches of the estuary of Morro Bay. Cool. Narrowing up. It's high tide, almost slack. I'll ride the tide right back up. Well, I'm up in one of the creeks, the most northern one that feeds into the southern end of Morro Bay. About as far up as I'm going to go. I'm at high tide. Well, it's actually about slack tide now. I'm going to ride it. Yeah, it's starting to head back out. So I'm going to get out of here before I get marooned in the mud. Well, I'm here at Lake Mary, sailing backwards at the present time. See a little bit of the San Francisco Peaks over there. One other sailboat on the lake. Gusty, but good practice. And here I am, cruising towards the San Francisco Peaks, or actually the Holy Mountains. Kind of gusty. Gotta stay awake. No falling asleep. Cool. Out on the Grebe Sea today. I've been sailing on you for many months. Got some light air. Cooking along on a broad reach. Cool.